Please dive in and subscribe, share, and enjoy the Professor Blue Review. Have a good day.
Let's get your kids excited about learning and getting them into activities that will teach them skills for a future career, a future job, a future position, a future life. This is the Professor Blue Review. I told you in the last video that we got monetized. All right. I don't like that. That's better. That's better. You like that one? Or do you like this one? That's what you got to do. You got to experiment with your videos. The first video that I made, I started with a cowbell. And the reason I did it is because I used to wake up my students with a cowbell. Motivation. Wake up, champion athletes. All right, train to reign with Dr. Payne. Let's get motivated with a cowbell. As Dr. Payne, and they gradually called me Dr. Payne because my workouts were so tough. Well, hey, I've been teaching media and getting people motivated about making movies. So now I promote creators. I promote kids' technology and music compilations. There's my niche right there. Helping kids, helping athletes, helping creators, and creating. That's what it's all about. We're not worried about monetizing. We're about creating. But the reason we started this video is because we got monetized. And it came very quickly, and we weren't concentrating on that. We were concentrating on being great creators, great athletes, just like my golfer right there. Hey, the biggest thing you can do is be yourself. I gave you 7 attributes of how we became noticed on YouTube, the world's biggest discovery platform and promo platform. Get there. Start making videos. That's number 1. Topics on how you can become noticed on YouTube. That's how we got noticed. I mean, 1,000 subscribers in 4 weeks. I mean, over 1,000 now. And it's building. Either you have to be a character that will drive people to your channel, or you don't want to show your face, and you can make a video like this one, which is a compilation of reggae music. And I wrote half the music, and another creator wrote the other half. It's 2 hours long. We had a great time doing it. To commit to your schedule, and I think the top, number 20, is you're in it for the long run, go for it, and make mistakes. Start your channel today, right here. There it is. Make that video today. Now, make 2 videos. Make 2 videos today. See how it is. Experiment, experiment, experiment. Become a creator. Become a creator. Hey, the biggest thing you can do is make sure that you are creating something that hasn't been done. All right, we're starting from the top. 1, okay, you're in it for the long haul. 2, championship focus and motion. Get in like an athlete. You're trying to get to the finish line. You're getting to the 9th inning and hitting that home run out of the park, right? You're knocking it out of the park. You're crossing the finish line. You're going for the gold medal. You're finishing up with championship focus and motivation daily. All right? Keep that motivation going. Go for the sky. Go for the sky. 3, don't say you're monetizing. You're a creator. Don't just say, oh, I'm starting this YouTube channel because I'm going to monetize. It's not going to happen. Do something creative, help some other people, bring value to some people, and then you will become a character that they want to come back and see. My athletes are coming to see me constantly, sending me their videos, letting me analyze their championships so that hopefully they'll make it to the Olympics, or at least the Olympic trials, or the state championships, or their sectional championships, whatever they can. That is 4. That is 3. Don't think you're going to monetize. You are a creator. That's what will start it. 4, make mistakes. Make mistakes. Make mistakes. Go for it. Gary Vee said, just put that camera out there and video something positive. 5, take action every day. Make your videos. Become better at making thumbnails and, hey, your topics. What your video thumbnail says. Hey, my first one was, hey, do you want to become a champion? Woo! With championship focus and motivation. That was it. Man, all athletes want to become champions. It was easy. Droves of people came to me. 5, that's take action every day. 6, biggest mistake is to not start. Get started. Get moving. Start videoing. 7, find a niche topic and what you know about. What are you an expert in? Okay, what do you already know? Maybe you're a dentist. Maybe you're a lawyer. Maybe you can give advice. My friend, I started his auto channel. He fixed cars. I went over and videoed him. He's doing 5 videos a month and getting tons of views. He's monetized, believe it or not. Make your videos 8 minutes, right? Make your videos 8 minutes so that you can utilize it when you monetize. Lastly, I know I gave you 20 of them, and I'll list those down below, and I'm getting pretty tired here, but can you say what your channel is about in 1 sentence? 1 sentence. Hey, down below, send me in the comments what your channel is about in 1 sentence. 1 sentence. And I go, mine's about championship focus and helping creators and kids and students and athletes and artists and musicians. That's what it is. I'm a promoter. How to do things and to promote your platform. There it is. So send me your stuff. I'll promote it. I'll help you. This is how we became noticed on YouTube. This is the Professor Blue Review. Please go down below to our websites where we have great information that will help your students get excited about learning again. We got to get the kids and keep the kids excited about learning. If they find a niche, a topic that they're totally excited about, you don't have to force them to learn anymore. They may get into engineering. Like my oldest son loved Legos. I'm going to start here right from scratch. I'm going to actually put this at the beginning of the video. My oldest son loved Legos. So his grandparents bought him Legos. He's an engineer now. He's making train locomotives. His love for that learning in Legos has now become a phenomenal job. And now he's married to another engineer who builds giant movers. That's what they do. That's what they love to do. He loved locomotive engines, and now he's building them. So, like the Professor Blue Review, we have tons of knowledge-based fun ideas, whether it's coding. Coding is the new alphabet, whether it's coding, whether it's engineering, whether it's science, whether it's technology, STEAM, science, right? Science, technology, engineering, arts and media, and math. There it is, STEAM learning. We have tons of things about STEAM learning down below. Just click the first link, and we also have a bunch of relaxation because one of our niches is to make relaxation music. I have a lot of musicians sending me music and promoting their music, and we're putting them together on compilations so that you can relax and take it easy. So become a creator. Do something out of the box. Do something out of the box. Become that active character that everybody wants to come back for. Shake things up. Flirt with disaster. Color outside the lines. Let's get creative. This is the Professor Blue Review. Please, let's get our kids back into learning. check out our links below. And I'm also giving you some free Audible and Kindle books, as always, in all of my descriptions of my videos. Enjoy. I hope these 20 ways to make your channel get noticed on the world's biggest discovery and promo platform, YouTube. Hey, go out and create. Then you may get monetized. We got monetized. Congratulations. I hope you get monetized, and I hope you have a good life on YouTube. Number one, just get out there and start your channel. This is the Professor Blue Review. Thank you. We'll see you in my office, or we'll see you in my remote classroom. Here it is. Or we'll see you out at Doheny Beach. And we'll do some surfing. Have a good day. This is Prof Blue. We love you. Let's get your kids excited about learning and getting them into activities that will teach them skills for a future career, a future job, a future position, a future life. At the Professor Blue Review, we have STEAM learning. Science, technology, engineering, arts, media, and math, and numerous niches that they will love. And once once you find something you love to do, it's not a job anymore. We want to teach them skills. As educators, as parents, as professors, as coaches, it's time to wake up our kids. Wake up our kids and get them back into education. But we got to do it fun. Education's got to be fun. Learning's got to be fun. Here's how you do it. Come see us. Look down below, and we will take you to the Professor Blue Review and enjoy education. Get the kids back into new knowledge and learning and enjoying their new learning. Enjoying to learn new knowledge. To love learning. Check it out down below. Take care. Hello, champions. Let's be champion learners.
Hello, we hope you're having a good day. Let's get our kids excited about learning, and let's get your channel going viral. Our next video is 20 ways on how we found success on YouTube, how we got discovered. Have a good day. Hey, please subscribe, and hey, dive in and subscribe, share, and enjoy. Ring that bell. Have a good day. Thank you.